All right, hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here. In today's video, I will be talking about AMC and GME. But before we start the video, guys, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Now, once you sign up with Acorns, for this week only, I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways, which is going to be the Coca-Cola stock, and that's going to be the first giveaway. The second giveaway is going to be a $100 gift card to your choice. It could be anything. So stay tuned for that, guys. Sign up with Acorns this week, and I'll be doing those giveaways this weekend. Now, also, once I hit 6,000 subscribers, guys, please help me out with that. I'm going to be doing an Apple stock giveaway. So again, help me out with that. Let's hit 6,000 subscribers. Please hit the like button so it can help with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much it with that. Let's start with the video. So today, GameStop and AMC, as you see, they shot up crazy today, and that is great. So like I said, one thing I want to do, a quick disclaimer here, and I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what my position is in this YouTube channel. Now, a lot of people are giving me a bunch of fuss that, I mean, I'm selling GameStop and AMC. I mean, I haven't sold any shares of AMC, so I still have all my shares in AMC. GameStop, I started with 500 shares back at $10. So if you guys see some of my old previous videos, we caught this also when it was about $10. And I mean, I'm going to go step by step explaining. So GameStop went up to $10, then it shot up to whatever. It ended up hitting like, once it hit up like $200, and I sold some, it went up to like 300, I sold more, 400, I sold more. And then, you know, eventually it kind of crashed back down. It was crashing back down, and I sold most of them at around 350. And then it dropped back down. I waited till it hit 40 so I could start loading up again. I bought 200 shares at $40. And then I sold once it went from 40. Again, it shot up like crazy to 190. I sold 50 shares. It jumped up to 350. I sold I sold until I had 50 shares, and then it dropped back down to this last week where it dropped down to about, what was it, like it was about 120 where I started buying it, and I bought more. I raised it up to 200, and then it went up today, and I sold out of it, not completely. I sold 100 shares and locked in again more profit. So I've been making huge profits in GameStop. But again, I still hold 100 shares on GameStop, and I still hold all my shares on AMC. AMC, I'm still waiting till I hit that $20 target price. It's going to hit for me just because of its fundamentals. I think it could go higher if it squeezes. I mean, it's going to go even crazier, but AMC, I'm holding it till at least $20. GameStop, I don't know what it can hit. We just don't know. From my information, this stock about 2 days ago was shorted. It went from about 20% to 16%. Then it went down to 14%. And with this shot up, it's expected to be at about 12% shorted. So, I mean, it's winding down, guys. Like I said, be careful with the stock. Make sure that you guys lock in profit and then hold strong if you guys want to hold strong. Again, I'm not giving you financial advice here, but this is what I'm doing. I'm holding strong with the remaining shares. I've made a lot of money from it. I'm hoping, I mean, for the rest of my 100 shares, I put asking price at $1,000. So, I mean, hopefully it hits that target price. But again, I've already done my job here. We've locked in huge profits from these companies. And I mean, I've screwed the hedge funds, like I said, you know? I mean, we've made money from them already. I mean, I've taken their money because, I mean, I've locked in profits. So, I mean, this is the main thing that I want to talk about is that in this channel, we're here to make profits, guys. I mean, people are constantly giving me stuff about, you know, selling out of GameStop and stuff like that. But our main purpose here in this channel is for us to make money. We want to get wealthy. We want to ride these gains. And again, we're taking it step by step. I mean, we're mostly here in this channel doing long-term investments, but we will catch these special occasions where we know we can make profits, okay? But understand, this is not, I mean, I know how to do options trades and day trades, but I'm not really showing you that much here because there's a lot of new investors in my channel, and the main thing is for me to help them create wealth and actually become millionaires one day. And that is my purpose here, guys. Now, one thing I want to explain to you guys is that the main purpose with my channel is how did GameStop get to this point? Now, for me, let's say I saw the YouTube channel Show Me Kitties. If y'all know who he is, you know, he's the one who caught this whole huge GameStop shortage. Now, he wasn't just some random investor. okay? He wasn't someone that just, you know, threw all his money in GameStop and he got lucky. No, he knew what he was doing. He did his research. He actually knows about the stock market, guys. He's actually traded stocks before. So he actually had that knowledge to actually find the stock that was heavily shorted, and he knew he would have made profits from it, okay? So that's the thing I want you guys to do, okay? I want my viewers to actually learn how to catch these things. Now, people are saying GameStop is once in a lifetime thing. It's not. It's happened multiple times. It's happened with GameStop. It happened in 2016 with dry ships and some oil companies and stuff like that. If you actually see companies, all companies were kind of down and shorted and they busted up. Oil stocks were very undervalued last year and they completely blew up. So if you guys were able to catch all these, you guys could have made a lot of money. And my purpose here is for me to give you the knowledge so you can help yourself, feed yourself knowledge to actually catch these plays. Okay, I'm not here telling you when to buy, when to sell. I'm here to give you my thoughts and my opinions and my knowledge so you guys can learn how to find these things yourself, because this is the only way you'll ever succeed, is to rely only on yourself and no one else. Okay, and like I said, GameStop, coming back to that, I hope it squeezes to 1,000. I mean, but the shortage is running out, okay? It's like I said, it's between I would say 11 to 13%. The numbers aren't going to come out until probably like a few days, so we'll have to wait for that. But the shortage is coming down, guys. As you see, today was covered widely, okay? So, again, a lot of the shortage is being covered, and I mean, it's getting to its end point. So just be careful, guys. Like I said, make sure you guys lock in your original profits and then try to ride the wave up if you guys want, okay? Because you guys want to make money, okay? I don't want you guys, you know, losing money. And I understand, like, there's people that, I mean, yeah, diamond hands, it's crazy. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I'm diamond handing a lot of my stocks. Stocks like Apple, stocks like Tesla. I mean, I've had those for the longest time. Those are the stocks that really created my wealth. And that's the thing I want you guys to understand. Like, make sure you're locking in profit, because I know people that have taken out loans from their mortgages and all this stuff. So, you know, make sure you're not losing a lot of money. Be patient, make your money, lock in your profits, and then if you want to ride the wave up for greater profits, then go for it. But again, I'm hoping this thing shoots up even more. It's, again, this stock shot up, what is it, a total of 56% from a 2 to 3% shortage. So what this means is, like, you know, it went up 60% from 3% of the shortage being covered. So it does have potential. If you actually crunch up numbers, this stock can hit about 300, 400, 500 if it keeps going up. And as long as people aren't selling a huge amount of shares, then, you know, we should see hopefully those numbers between 350 to 500. 1,000, it's hard to see it, but it's looking a little less likely just because people are selling off. But again, we never know. We can't predict it. Let's put our asking prices at 1,000 and hopefully they do hit. But again, be safe, guys. Just be safe. AMC, I'm hoping it hits at least, between 50 to 100. Now, as you see, the volume on AMC is at 131 million. It went up, what, 23%? And that required 131 million positive shares for it to hit up. So, I mean, it's hard to see AMC go over 100, but I feel like it could hit over, you know, I could feel like it could hit about 50, you know. So, I mean, I'm hoping it hits that. So let's just keep the best eye for it. But I mean, at $20, I'm going to lock in profit, and then I'm going to try to ride the rest of the wave up, and hopefully we hit high good numbers. So, I mean, that's all I wanted to talk about here. If you guys did like the video, please like the video so it can help with the YouTube algorithm. I mean, like I said, I get a lot of hate here, and I don't care. I'm here to help you guys make money, and that's why you guys watch this channel, because you guys want to make money and you guys want to create wealth. And the best way you're going to do it is to feed yourself that knowledge and create it yourselves. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.